Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essentials so notifications can arrive. First, update WhatsApp and open your phone settings, grant notification permission, and enable sounds and banners. Then, disable battery optimization or restricted background activity for WhatsApp so messages trigger alerts. Once done, open WhatsApp settings and go to notifications to ensure message and group alerts are enabled. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off or WhatsApp is allowed as an exception because system silencing blocks app alerts. Now fine-tune WhatsApp itself so alerts are noticeable. You should set distinct tones and enable vibration and pop-up previews for messages and groups. This helps you differentiate. Next, scan your chat list. Unmute any muted chats and remove custom silent notifications that suppress alerts. On Android, tap App Info then Notification Categories to confirm conversation and group channels are set to high importance. Once adjusted, send a test message from another device to confirm the settings behave as expected. To finish, run a full test so you know the problem is resolved. Send a test message, then reboot your phone to clear transient glitches. Check notifications after restart. If alerts still fail, clear WhatsApp cache or reinstall the app so corrupted data is removed. Make sure your phone's network and background data are allowed. If issues persist, reset network settings or reach out to WhatsApp support. These final steps address stubborn bugs or carrier-related blocking that prevent push notifications from arriving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.